My video is about removing the ransomware called Niko, N-I-K-O. My video will be only for the educational purposes. I am not related to this ransomware. I am not promoting it. I will just demonstrate to you what happens when this ransomware affects the files. Before the ransomware's attack, you're able to open your files without troubles, including pictures, music, Microsoft Office documents, and other data. Unfortunately, because of some leaks and vulnerabilities, this Niko ransomware may be very easily injected into the system, and so very soon users realize that they can no longer access their data. The ransomware encrypts files and damages them all essentially. Consequently, it is impossible to use the files. So the ransomware tells the victims that they need to pay a special ransom for file restoration, but paying the ransom is not a good idea. Don't waste your money and don't pay the ransom. So very soon you will see the results of the ransomware attack. So if your files have been encrypted by this ransomware, I recommend you to remove it with Cleaner Antivirus. Get it on the page combocleaner.com, download the software, install it, and once it gets successfully installed, start carefully researching the computer with its help. Combo Cleaner will definitely help you to detect and then eliminate all other threats which could still possibly stealthily remain on your system. After you start Combo Cleaner, the application will most likely first of all update its anti-malware database, which is truly essential for proper detection and removal of all possible threats that could be on your computer. Pay attention to the fact that Combo Cleaner is available for all popular operating systems: Mac, Windows, Android, and iOS. So after you click on the Start Scan button, the antivirus database will be updated first of all, and then the scanning will begin. The scanning duration depends on various factors. It may depend on how many hard drives are available. It may depend on the system parameters of your computer. Finally, at the end of the scanning, you will see the full summary of all the infections which were found on your system. Based on the summary of threats, you'll be able to know the information about the locations of threats. Some threats can be removed manually, but definitely I recommend you to consider upgrading to the premium license. With premium license, for instance, there is an excellent anti-ransomware feature which helps to always keep your data protected. You can add certain folders on your system, and the contents of these folders will be always under the protection against ransomware attacks. And Combo Cleaner works extremely and exceptionally well when it comes to identifying contemporary threats like adware, ransomware, all sorts of annoying pop-ups. Combo Cleaner fixes browser redirection issues. And definitely, what is exceptionally valuable, Combo Cleaner is able to protect your data, all your cherished and valuable information that you store on your hard drive. So use Combo Cleaner for cleaning your system and for protecting your system against all types of malware.